In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the calibration and measurement process using any of the Moticam 1080N cameras, including the 1080N, 1080 BMH, and 1080 INT models. Let's get started. On the calibration slide that comes with the camera, we can see 4 dots with different diameters and, at the center, a micrometer cross consisting of 1 millimeter divided into 100 sections. So each division equals 0.01 millimeters, or in other words, 10 microns. For this calibration process, we'll be using the micrometer cross. Let's go through the steps. Start by switching on your microscope and selecting the 4x objective. Place the calibration slide, locate the micrometer cross at the center, and bring it into focus. Click on the calibration icon on the toolbar at the top of the screen. Use the left mouse button to draw a horizontal line over the full length of the micrometer. We recommend selecting the longest distance possible for better accuracy. A new window will open with several fields. First, set the measurement unit to microns. Then, enter the length of the line you just drew. In our case, that's 1000 microns. Next, choose the precision. This defines how many decimal places will be shown in your measurements. After that, give your calibration a name that's easy to remember. We recommend using the objective name, for example, 4x demo. And finally, there's the multiplier. Even though you can select the objective magnification here, this setting doesn't affect the result, so you can simply leave it as it is. Once all fields are complete, click Start Measurement. Please note that you must repeat this calibration process for each objective you plan to use. Once calibration is completed for all objectives, you're ready to start taking measurements. To demonstrate this, we'll continue using the same micrometer cross from the calibration slide that comes with the camera. Go to the measurement toolbar at the top and click on Settings. Here, you can adjust visual preferences like line width, font size, and colors. Click the Calibration Setting button. From the list, choose the calibration associated with the objective in use, in our case, 4x demo. Then click Selection and Confirm with OK. Now we're ready to measure. Choose your preferred measurement tool. In this example, we'll use the line tool and draw over the area you want to measure. To demonstrate this, we're using the micrometer cross, and as you can see, if the line covers the full micrometer, which is 100 divisions, the software will display 1000 microns, confirming that the calibration was done correctly. Remember, each time you switch objectives, select the one you're currently using from the calibration table. And that's it! You're now ready to take precise measurements with any of our Moticam 1080N cameras. To learn more, don't miss our tutorial on how to get started with the onboard software. See you in the next video.